Hi guys, this is E Thumbnail and we are in a noisy room today. Okay, so it is raining today. It is raining today, I know. I was saying the next video is oh my god. Was a 24-hour challenge, but
can it rain again?
I know. But we are just back here doing a vlog. A video. Hi. Yeah, I just kicked the camera.
Is that you?
Yes!
Come here, quick!
Why?
Here's Dave.
No, Mum's dead excited to show you it.
Here's Dave.
Quick!
Here's Eden.
What is it?
Here's Eden.
No, what does she want to show?
Do you know the thing on the head? A sack came out. It was full with pus, now it's empty. It's sticky and it feels squishy. Yeah? Yes, so we are just on Sims. Is it shut? Yes.
Do you know what I've just noticed? I thought he had a chair. Look at his swimwear.
So, yeah.
Ethan. Ethan. Ethan.
Yeah.
Can you get onto the chair and then I'll move this chair here and then you can go on that chair. You can put that chair in there.
Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.
That was